Hello, my dear students. I know you people are interested to become a data scientist. So before going to take a course or going for a job, you need to think about the skill sets that are required for becoming a data scientist. Number one is programming skills. So you need to have a proficiency in languages like Python, R, SQL, and that is very, very crucial. And Python is particularly popular in data science for its versatility and also extensive libraries. Number two, statistics and mathematics. So understanding the statistical concepts like probability, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis is fundamental. And strong mathematical skills like including linear algebra and calculus are also beneficial. Number three, machine learning. So familiarity with machine learning algorithms and techniques is essential for building predictive models and also extracting insights from the data. And number four, data wrangling. So data rarely comes in a clean format. So data wrangling involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data into a suitable format for analysis. Number five, data visualization. So communicating insights effectively is a key. So knowledge of data visualization tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Tableau helps in creating compelling visualizations. And then number six, domain knowledge. Understanding the domain you're working in. Suppose you're working in healthcare, finance, or e-commerce, you need to have the domain knowledge for contextualizing data and generating meaningful insights. Number seven is big data technologies. So depending on the scale of data you're working in, knowledge of big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, or distributed computing frameworks is valuable. And number eight is communication skills. So data scientists often need to communicate complex findings to non-technical stakeholders. Strong written and verbal communication skills are very, very essential. Next, number nine is problem-solving skill. So data science involves tackling complex problems and finding innovative solutions. Strong problem-solving skills and a curious mindset is very, very crucial. And number 10 is continuous learning. So the field of data science is rapidly evolving, and a willingness to learn new techniques and also stay updated with the industry trends and adapt to new technologies is essential for long-term success. So my dear students, stay blessed and you get into learning data science. All the best.